Today on the Walk for Liberty, I'm going to reach the Atlantic Ocean. And this is what we're driving through to get to where I last stopped yesterday. Hey, this is Will Buchanan. I'm walking all the way across the country to the New Hampshire seacoast in search of more freedom on a project called the Walk for Liberty. It's New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2008, day 222. As I mentioned earlier, this is the last day of the coast-to-coast walk of the Walk for Liberty. I'll be walking and actually jumping into the ocean at Hampton Beach today.
Inclined towards that stuff? Interested in it?
Well, it's so fun.
We've been acquiring more and more people on the walk.
Yeah, I'm sure you're going to probably do it.
We've been gaining more and more people. There's 13 total walking right now.
I don't know. No.
Alright, I was just gonna see where.
No.
WTO? Wait.
Where's our car? Is that bad? The Atlantic.
And the PlayStation 2 version is really well, but like you can't do anything. There's no
Have you seen the bell by the door?
They got a fans. Create your own customized instruments and stuff. And you can't.
Mark's always doing this. He is so good.
It's the frame at all times.
There we go.
You blowing out the camera?
Well and Brooke.
Welcome home.
Welcome home. Welcome home.
Here, let me have the camera.
3,206 miles.
Yay! 3,200 miles.
Yeah.
3,200 miles.
All right, you have to walk
crazy.
really fast to make the plane go up.
Oh yeah?
The last 3,200
This guy's feet.
Yeah, the guy's 14.
Make a wish.
Now you have to eat the whole cake.
There's you. We gotta get you.
Oh, that's me?
Yeah.
Oh, come!
Can I see the back?
Turn around.
He is. He's pretty good now.
And the sign. I don't know what it says.
The sign?
Right there.
It doesn't say anything.
That's the yeah, like so you're walking up and then you got in the slime. And then
It was just to because there was like white footprints and I was getting sick of being white. So I just didn't.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Guys, don't waste your energy. The battle isn't
man, those are
started
two totally
yet.
different.
Oh, see, this is just where they.
Turn yellow.
Okay.
My ex-boyfriend
I will follow him.
What? Oh no, man, too deep in the ocean.
So high, can't keep me away.
I must follow.
I was so preoccupied last night with trying to warm up after my polar bear plunge that I forgot to do my GPS coordinates. So I'm tracing the location back using my watch. All the snow on the beach got covered with sand last night. And here's where I stopped. I walked 8.5 miles for Liberty yesterday. And here were my GPS coordinates. If you appreciate what we did to spread the message of freedom on the Walk for Liberty, then please consider making a donation to support our continuing work at donate.walkforliberty.com. This is Will Buchanan signing off.
Keep flapping.
Medical kit!